Just show some. All right, this is briefcase number 4. This is going to be a random hit. Um, what I'm going to do is I'm going to reveal all the cards, list them up on this sheet, and then I'm going to randomize the cards and the names of the people that are in the break. And whatever card lands next to you, that's what you take home. Good luck, everyone. Let's go ahead and reveal all the cards first. This is number 4. Number 4. Here we go. Briefcase number 4. Make love to the case. Yeah, what's up, man? Is Andrew even watching? He's probably watching on. I probably should tear the stickers on the side, right? One of 5. Eli Manning. 1 of 5. Eli Manning. Eli Manning. 1 of 5. That's Eli Manning fan. There was one in the group. That is a game used. Eli Manning. Eli, Book of Eli coming out first out the gate. Eli. Man, I wish this had some ink on it. Barry Sanders, 3 of 20. 3 of 20. Barry Sanders. Barry Sanders, 3 of 20. That's game used as well. Barry Sanders. What the fuck? 3 of 10, Ryan Fitzpatrick. Ryan Fitzpatrick. What the fuck? I guess he counts. He's a starting QB, right? Ryan Fitzpatrick. Oh my god. Ryan Fitzpatrick. Somebody's gonna punch me for hitting them that. Le'Veon Bell, 15 of 15. Le'Veon Bell, 15 of 15. 15 of 15, Le'Veon Bell. Oh, wrong one. Marshall Faulk, 5 of 10. Colts. Marshall Faulk, 5 of 10 Colts. It's not bad. Marshall Faulk. 8 of 10 Archie Manning. So Eli and Archie in the same box. Father and son. Where's Peyton at? Archie Manning, Saints. I know, Chris. I know, dude. Archie. And Braxton Miller, now and then signature. Braxton Miller. Texans. Texans. Braxton Miller. Yeah, dude. Braxton. Alright, here we go. Left to right. Jim Kelly, 14 of 15 Ruby. Jim Kelly, 14 of 15 Ruby card. I don't know, man. Fitzgerald. Jim Kelly, Ruby. The diamond card. Oh, 17 of 20. Championship moments, Tom Brady. That's nice. Tom Brady. Championship moments. Tom Brady, championship moments. He does have the best. All right, last card. Last card, legend. 2 of 2, memorable marks. Joe Namath. Joe Namath. I don't know, man. It's kind of a tough act to follow after the Dak Prescott. Joe Namath. It's just the certificate saying that it's authentic diamond. Joe Namath. Alright, so let's real quick do the randomizer. See who gets what. Good luck, everyone. Let's do the cards first. Copy. Alright, here we go. Roll the dice. We're going to go 6 times. 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, from the current market, man, I think people would rather have the Dak, bro. Archie on top, Falk on bottom. We went 6 times. 6 on the dice. Alright, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ruben P with the Archie Manning. Here, let me go ahead and do it this way. Ruben P with the Archie Manning. Le'Veon Bell going to KT. Bill Oliver. The Tom Brady Diamond going out to Andrew. Andrew P with the Tom Brady Diamond. Jim Kelly Ruby going out to Bobby C. The Barry Sanders patch. Barry Sanders patch going out to Chris S. Chris S with the Barry Sanders patch. Ryan Fitzpatrick, I'm sorry. Andrew. So it was a good and so-so. Yeah, it was a Brady Joseph Diamond. And with the Braxton Timothy H. Joe Namath going out to Bonnie. Vikings next year. Oh, I forgot. Eli going out to Bobby C. Eli going to Bobby C. And then Bill KT with the Marshall Falk. Joe Namath, 2 of 2. So that's briefcase number 4, I'm sorry. Briefcase number 4.